Hello, welcome everyone to question number 5 intersection point in Y-shaped linked list. From the topic linked list in Geek for Geeks must do coding interview questions. Just have a quick look at the question and we'll be discussing the approach and the meaning behind it. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you have any doubts, just leave a comment down below. If you have any extra mail IDs, please do subscribe and support our channel. Now coming to the understanding of the question, here a linked list have been given which is in Y shape. Okay, and you can see on the screen we have 3, 6, 9, 10, 15, 30. Okay, this is our example now. Now how can we find out the intersection point? Okay, that's the question. We want to find out the intersection point and we have to return the data of that address. Okay, the common intersection point will always be a common address. Okay, this 9 is pointing toward 15, 10 is pointing toward 15. Both of those addresses are same. You know what we have to do is we have to find out. Okay, one method is that we are going to use in this video. The one method is we're going to count how many of the values are there in each linked list. Okay, now first linked list will be this one, 3, 6, 9, 15, 30. How many of them are there? These are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 total. There are 5 now. 5 elements are there now on the left linked list, and on the right linked list we have 3. Okay, 3 values on the right linked list. Okay, this is the right side is 3 and left side is we have 5 linked lists. Now how can we find out by counting the number of linked list is we just have to subtract the bigger linked list. Okay, if we subtract the bigger linked list and we have to iterate till that point. Okay, then start comparing both of the linked lists at the same time. Now 5 minus 3 is 2, right? Now we have to come forward 2 steps forward in the left side linked list, because this is a bigger linked list. Now the left side is a bigger linked list now. Okay, the left side is bigger linked list, so we have to come forward 2 times. Okay, till this part. Okay, the address we will be at is 9 now. Okay, we will be at the address of 9 if we come forward. Now if you see from the left point and from the right point, we have exactly three values from left side linked list and right side linked list also. Now by doing subtracting and coming forward the same number of value that we got, okay, we can make the left side and right side linked list same, the remaining linked list the same length. Okay, left side will be of length 3 and right side will be also length 3. Now if the length is same, now we can move one address at a time on both sides and we can compare that. Okay, now the starting address can be most probably our connecting point. If not the starting point, then the next point can be common point. Okay, in this case the common point is a starting point only for us. Okay, we are at the 9 and 10 position. Now if you check the next address of 9 and next address of 10, they both are common, so the address is same, then that is our intersection point, and then we can return immediately the address data. You can say return. Okay, and whatever the address will be, let's say next dot data, that will be dot data. We will just be returning the data here. Okay, this will be our method. Okay, for this question, I hope you have understood the meaning of the intersection point and how can we tackle it. If you haven't understood, let's go to the coding session. After that it will be more clear to you. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Let's go to the coding section. Now we're inside the Geek for Geeks website, and the code will be starting from the third definition, intersection point, head 1 and head. Here what we are doing is we are counting the number of values. Okay, this is the same thing that we have discussed in the presentation. Now we're subtracting the bigger one from the smaller one. If C1 is greater, then we are subtracting from there. If C2 is greater, then we are subtracting from C2. Okay, and we're going to use that difference in another function, and we move forward the same number of steps as the d value. Okay, from the left side example, the d value will be 2. Okay, now in the first linked list we are moving 2 times ahead. Okay, that's why we're using the for loop, and it will move 2 times ahead exactly. Okay, after that point, the left side linked list and right side linked list will have exactly same number of elements. Now we are going to iterate left and right at the same time. Now if we compare the address, if it is same, then we return immediately the data of that. If it is not same, then we return. If it is not same, we just simply change the address of the left side and right side. Okay, both will happen at the same time. I hope you have understood. This get count is used for getting the length of the linked list. Okay, I hope you have understood the question. If you like the video, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching till then. Let's meet in another question.